Jingila Jingiwala, Nanyeri Mindy, Ni Bundjalung Dube, Wijibu Waibu Naibu Ni. Hello, my name is Mindy. I'm a proud Bundjalung woman, native food chef and restaurateur. As a First Nations woman, nothing lights up my spirit, my belly more than native food. Native food connects me to my country, my culture, my community. It's a direct link to my ancestors, and I love the way that food brings people together. Australia is truly special. We are home to the oldest living civilization in the world. We are home to the oldest food culture in the world. That is something that we should all celebrate, embrace, and make our own. Cultural calendars define an intricate understanding of country. The land, the skies, the waters, the animal and plant activity, and gives us an indication of how to best work with country and manage it. I love the fact in Australia that we are an incredible multicultural country. We take influences from foods that are from all over the world and we make them our own. But what we've overlooked is our first foods, our first people. I'd love to see in Australia we're embracing First Nations ingredients into our everyday cooking, making foods that we love our own. Think of a beautiful native green curry peppered with lemon myrtle, anise myrtle and native ginger. These ingredients will make these incredible foods that we love our own. You know, the beautiful thing about native foods is that they are endemic to country. So the foods that grow on Bundjalung country, Australia's largest native food bowl, are unlike those that grow anywhere else in this beautiful continent. And that means that these beautiful foods don't need herbicides, pesticides, or fertilizers to grow. They're perennial, so they return year on year. They're nutrient dense. They are superfoods without a trendy hashtag. And they will be an important part of not only environmental protection, but nourishing humans moving forward into the future. The most important thing about native food is that it all gives us reasons to connect. And in Australia right now, we're all looking for reasons to genuinely connect. And what better way to do it through food? Our elders are so generous and gracious with their knowledge, and they're generous with their offering. They want all Australians to experience these foods as if they're their own, so we can embrace them, so we can unite. For us, native food will be so important in terms of the reconciliation of this nation. What I would love to do is inspire everyday Australians to embrace and celebrate these beautiful native ingredients in their home cooking. I feel it will give them a sense of connection to this beautiful place that we get to call home, that we can create a culture and a cuisine that is truly ours as a modern Australia.